Today's defense highlights. Defense Ministry forms committee to address shortages in Air Force. India Ghana Inc. a memorandum of understanding to boost collaboration in satellite communication. PTC Industries acquires UK-based Trac Precision Solutions. RRP S4E Innovations bags 102 crore rupee order from the Defense Ministry. Army deploys Air Orca eVTOLs to enhance logistics in high altitude regions. Space warfare AI solutions to defense. Highlights of the DefSat 2025 conference. MIDHANI delivers first batch of indigenous titanium and superalloys for Tejas Mark II jets, airframe and structural parts manufacturing. India and Vietnam to sign a $700 million Brahmos Missile deal. India and Kuwait ink defense pacts elevates ties to strategic partnerships. In the global highlight, Lithuania acquires 44 Leopard 2A 8 tanks in a procurement agreement with KNDS Germany. The news in detail. The Defense Ministry has set up a committee to address the capability development of the Indian Air Force amid critical shortages of fighter jets, weapons, and equipment. Chaired by the Defense Secretary, the committee includes senior ministry officials, DRDO chairman, and the Air Force representatives. After comprehensive Indian Air Force briefings, the panel was tasked with preparing recommendations which are expected to be submitted within 2 or 3 months. The Indian Air Force has been grappling with a lack of fighter jets. It has inducted only 36 Rafale jets, part of the 4.5 plus generation fleet needed to counter threats. The Indian Air Force's long pending proposal to acquire 110 4.5 plus generation aircrafts remains unresolved. The committee may explore addressing this gap through indigenous production. The Air Force has been focusing on indigenous products, but delays in the Light Combat Aircraft Mark 1A program caused by supply chain issues with US based General Electrics have slowed the progress. Plans for 114 Made in India fighter jets in collaboration with foreign manufacturers are seen as crucial to bridging the capability gap. SIA India has inked an MOU with Ghana Space Science and Technology Institute to advance collaboration in satellite communications and space industry. Ghana is poised to benefit from India's transformative advancements in space technology, including satellite manufacturing, launch services, and innovative space applications. India has consistently engaged with Africa in space and technology initiatives, as evidenced by programs like the Pan Africa e Network Project, Indian Technical and Economic Cooperation Program, and the India Africa Partnership Fund. Through this MOU, Ghana stands to leverage India's expertise while advancing its own space agenda. This collaboration aims to unlock new opportunities, promote innovation, and strengthen the bond between India and Ghana. PTC Industries has completed the acquisition of 100% shareholding in UK-based Trac Precision Solutions (TSPL). Trac Precision Solutions, headquartered in Crewe, UK, is a provider of precision machined components serving the aerospace, defense, and power generation sectors. It is known for its advanced manufacturing capabilities with specialization in high value components such as turbine blades, nozzle guide vanes, and heat shields. Its expertise in producing components for leading original equipment manufacturers like Rolls-Royce, Safran, GE, and Siemens strengthens PTC's ability to offer end-to-end solutions from material development to precision machined products. RRP S4E Innovations has secured a significant order worth 102 crore rupees from the Ministry of Defense. This contract includes the supply of advanced long-range thermal imaging cameras valued at 68 crore rupees, among other items. Founded in 2018 by Mr. Rajendra Chodankar, RRP S4E Innovations specializes in designing and manufacturing high-tech optical devices, including night vision and thermal imaging systems. The successful acquisition of this contract is expected to bolster RRP S4E's position in the defense market and contribute to its projected revenue growth, with aspirations to exceed 500 crore rupees by 2025. Indian Armed Forces have deployed the Air Orca, India's first fully autonomous logistics drone developed by the Orissa-based startup Born V Aero. This innovative eVTOL drone is designed to enhance logistics capabilities in high altitude regions, particularly in challenging terrains like the Himalayas. What are the features that are prominent in this Air Orca drone? Let's have a look. The Air Orca has demonstrated its capabilities to operate at elevations of nearly 20,000 feet, successfully carrying a 30-kilo payload at Omling, Ladakh, which is recognized as the highest motorable road pass in the world. This performance surpasses that of traditional helicopters, which struggle with similar tasks at such altitudes. This drone is equipped with advanced autonomous features, allowing it to perform various logistical tasks without direct human control. This includes delivering supplies in post disaster scenarios and supporting military operations where conventional transport methods may be impractical. Air Orca has an operational range of up to 10 kilometers and a flight time of approximately 45 minutes. It weighs around 100 kilos and incorporates state of the art technology, including day and night cameras, multi redundant GPS systems, and encrypted communication capabilities. It can carry payloads of up to 30 kilograms, making it suitable for transporting vital supplies such as food, medicine, and equipment to military posts situated in inaccessible areas. DefSat 2025, scheduled from January 8th to 10th, 2025 in Delhi, will focus on space warfare and AI solutions in defense. The theme of the conference, Integrated Space Capabilities for Multi-Domain Operations, emphasizes the strategic role of innovative space technologies in modern warfare across various domains, including land, maritime, aerospace, cyberspace, and homeland security. Some of the key highlights of the conference will include next generation military technologies. Discussions will cover the advanced topics such as quantum key distribution and non kinetic warfare strategies. These technologies are designed to enhance military operations and ensure readiness for future defense challenges. AI ML solutions, the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning into defense strategies will be a significant focus. This includes leveraging AI to improve decision making processes and operational efficiencies in military context. In Space Wargame 3.0, this simulation exercise will allow participants to engage with real world space security challenges, showcasing India's preparedness to address evolving threats in the space domain. The event will bring together defense practitioners, industry leaders, and international experts, fostering collaboration and innovation in the defense sector. Dr. Subbarao Pavuluri, president of SIA India, emphasized that integrating space technology into defense strategies is crucial in today's geopolitical landscape. MIDHANI has delivered its first consignment of titanium and superalloy products to Hindustan Aeronautics. These advanced materials are crucial for manufacturing the airframe and structural parts of the Tejas Mark II fighter jet, an upgraded variant of India's indigenous light combat aircraft. The titanium and superalloy products supplied by MIDHANI were developed and manufactured in collaboration with Semilac and DGQA. India and Vietnam have reportedly closer to signing a significant defense deal with a $700 million Brahmos Missile System deal. According to the sources, both India and Vietnam plug in more procedural details, and the deal is expected to be signed in a couple of months. It is learnt that the initial techno commercial details have already been shared and discussed by the Vietnamese Defense Ministry. As per the defense sources, both the Vietnamese Army and Navy will sign the deal for procurement of Brahmos missile system. India and Kuwait signed a strategic partnership boosting defense cooperation and vowed to soon finalize an ambitious investment treaty. The two sides also discussed ways to transform the existing buyer seller relationship in the energy sector to a comprehensive engagement with greater collaboration in upstream and downstream sectors and agreed to explore the participation of Kuwait in India's strategic petroleum reserve program. A total of four agreements, including the Memorandum of Understanding on Defense, were inked. The MOU on defense will provide for cooperation in the areas of defense industries, supply of defense equipment, joint exercises, training, exchange of personnel and experts, and collaboration in research and development. The Defense Pact will facilitate cooperation in coastal defense, maritime safety, and joint development and production of defense equipment. In the global highlight, KNDS Germany announced a defense acquisition deal with Lithuania, marking a historic step for the Baltic state. Lithuania has signed a contract to acquire 44 Leopard 2A8 main battle tanks worth 950 million euros. This deal not only elevates Lithuania's military capabilities but also represents a significant milestone for the country as it is the first time in its history that Lithuania will establish its own tank unit. With this acquisition, Lithuania becomes the 23rd nation to operate the highly regarded Leopard 2 platform, one of the most advanced main battle tanks in the world. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you and have a great week ahead.